Hello, my name is Dr. George Walters-Sleyon. I want to take the time to introduce you to my publications. I've published four important books that I feel are quite important. And the first one is called Locked Up and Locked Down, Multitude, Lingers, and Limbo. This book talks about the high rate of incarceration of Black men, minority men, women, and youth in the U.S. penal system. It looks at the causes and the cumulative consequences of mass incarceration. The book is also prescriptive, descriptive, and prescriptive. It talks about solution development as well. And it looks at different areas of incarceration and some of the reasons, what we refer to today as mass incarceration. It proposes what it calls the principles of the 4R, emphasis on respect for human dignity, reform in the sentencing process, rehabilitation that leads to reintegration, and restoration, especially in times like these when we have COVID raging. It also talks about some of the problems. So take, for instance, juveniles in detention, female inmates, reports on shackling, male inmates, suicide and death, racism behind bars, the role of the guards, and you talk about concentrated, what it refers to as concentrated forms of impoverishment. The cumulative consequences of mass incarceration, as we know it, has led to increase in dysfunction of family structure, breakdown of the community, especially the Black community, with respect to leadership development. So I want to encourage you to get a copy of this book. It's called Locked Up and Locked Down, Multitude, Lingers, and Limbo. It's on Amazon. And you can visit my website as well, which is www.georgewaltersleyon.com. And if you're interested in any aspect of the penal system of the United States and its intersection with respect to race and religion, I will recommend this book. I've taught it and I've used it several times in my courses as well. Okay? Thank you for your support, and I hope you get one of it. Thank you.